Hey, we are Mason and Mandy, and we own Ooey Gooey Cinnamon Rolls in Nashville, Indiana. A couple years ago, we both started having these random dreams that we believe were from God, that we were supposed to leave Minnesota, where we were currently living, and move to Indiana and live in a camper. So we did. We had no money, no jobs, no expectations, just excited to see what God was going to do. Fast forward a couple months later, I started working at Ooey Gooey, and Mason joined me shortly after. But then our bosses decided they wanted to retire, and we felt that we were supposed to take over the business. Mason and I had never baked a cinnamon roll a day in our life, nor owned a business, but we had enough faith and we believed that God had called us to this and that He would supply our every need. We have met so many amazing people. Our employees are awesome. The customers have been so supportive, and we are just so grateful to be on this journey and to share it with all of you.